Alright guys, the live event from Ajax Rule Your Space just ended, and we have a first glance of all the awesome product they presented during this presentation. And we'll start with their keypad. So their touchscreen keypad, as you can see, I can just over my hand like this and it's open up. It's so incredible the design they did. So it's pretty much like having a smartphone directly on your wall. So you know how it works. You press, the signal is super fast. As you can see, it's already armed. And you even have a sound notification for the delay. So now I'm just gonna unarm it, click on it, enter your code. It's instantly disarmed the keypad right there. So nice product. I love the fact that you can customize the OS. And the battery life for me is a little bit low, on the low side. It's 1.5 years. But the fact that, like in this case, you can hook it up with a 12-volt battery right there is pretty nice. So nice installation, nice look. And now we're gonna go to the NVR. So here we have an NVR from Ajax that they just presented. You can have an 8 channel, a 16 channel. They record in 4K resolution. Really nice product again. One small thing is the fact that the PoE switch is not included in the NVR itself. That can be maybe a future iteration in the NVR to maybe help people connect the camera faster. But you have the jack for the RJ45. So you hook up the NVR directly to a PoE switch and you can hook up all your cameras. All right, one nice thing about the NVR right there is that it enables you in the Ajax application to have a video wall. So here you have all the images of your cameras. And another nice thing about this is during the presentation, they introduced their built-in AI for the cameras. They call it the Ajax Jet Sparrow. And this is able to do motion detection. And with some small colors, you're able to detect if it's a human, vehicles, animals, everything directly on the app itself. Right now, as you can see, when you go inside a camera, there is motion detection here. And since I think they just went live, you don't have the actual other motions, and it's also because we are in an office. So no vehicles there. But again, great technology from Ajax. I can't wait to try them out. Let's talk about the cameras. I think this is one of the most impressive thing Ajax did for this event. So presenting these cameras with a great look, and what I really like about it is the IR sensors. So if I'm not mistaken, it's a brand new revolution for the cameras, having the IR sensors on the outside build of the camera itself. That means no blooming, no reflection, no glare in the lens. Really help keeping a crisp image of what you're trying to record there. 4K cameras goes well with the NVR itself. You connect them to a PoE switch that is hooked up to your NVR. So guys, right now it's just a first look, but keep a lookout on our channel. We want to get our hands on these products really soon, and we'll go into a more in-depth review of them, how they work, maybe do some unboxing to see how you can put them in your Ajax application real fast. So we'll see you on the next one.